Okay guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about this buddy of mine, which is a 9-in-1 multifunctional cable stick, made especially for mobile devices. And yeah, so what this thing does, it's basically a storage device. It doesn't do much, but it has a card reader built in. Let's go through the exterior of the box quickly. Yeah, make sure you recycle. Okay. Anyway, so this product itself has a bit of unknown icons here. It doesn't mean much. What EDCM, it doesn't mean anything. And what is this? What is this? You know, you can fix your SIM card, you know, and so on. And so what it meant, later I will show it to you. Let's have a look behind at the back. So it says here multi-cable 6 types. No, it's not 6 types of cables. All right, I'll let you know what it means later. It's very confusing and misleading, but well, you'll know later. It comes with one piece of USB-C to USB-C cable, right? And 3 types of adapter. See, it's not 6 types of cables, but it's just one cable, but with multiple adapters. That you can mix and match inside and turn into 6. Anyway, okay, right. So basically, this product is a storage device that you can put in 2 additional SIM cards, and I think about 6 additional micro SD card. I really have no idea why they call it the TF card. It's like in China, they just love to use the word TF card. You know, just call it micro SD card. What's so difficult about this? Come on. You know, TF card was like 20 years ago. Time to move on. Stop using this. And it's made from this company called Dongguan Budi Electronic in Guangzhou, China. And this is the address in case you want to contact them, and so on and so forth. All right. Okay, let's open up. Spoiler, I had already opened up this previously, and yeah, there's nothing more inside. Comes with a warranty card. I'm not sure if it's usable, but if you want to, you can send it to them. Does not mean anything, I guess. The usual stuff, all right? So this is the manual. So pictures of how you should use it, how do you access the product, what you should do, and the adapters and stuff like that. Behind, okay, these are the cables and how do you place your cradle, or rather how do you prepare the cradle for your phone, and so on, right? Not too shabby, huh? It's in English, and I think it's good that they focus on market that is outside of China. And this is the product. This is Budi. It's a very interesting product. It's made of metal. I think it's aluminum or metal, so it's quite sturdy. And so there's 2 sides. How do you activate, or rather how do you access, is this allows you to pull out, and you can stick your phone here to let it be like cradle, that you can watch your movies and stuff like that. Not very effective because this thing here is quite soft. You might be able to place it somehow, but heavier phones, tablets, forget it. I tried. No, doesn't work. Push this in and pull this out. All right. Yeah. Anyway, so what you have here are a batch of sockets where you can place your micro SD card, TF card, place your micro SD card and 2 SIM card. So to a certain extent, you are able to bring, if you're a photographer or videographer, so the additional micro SD card slots for you to place will be ideal, because they are really small, tiny little thing. Chances are you might lose it in the bag somehow, and it's, you know, it's black, and it really might break if you have something heavy stacked on top. So how this thing will work is that you just push it in and it stays there. And you can just put the whole thing inside and so on. If you want to remove that, you just put it out. And that's it. At the back, you have a couple of connectors or adapters. So this is actually the USB-C to USB-A. And this is micro USB to USB-C. The last one is a Lightning for iPhone to USB-C. Oh, last but not least, a SIM card removal tool. Yeah, this is metal, so it's not plastic. So it's very convenient. You know, you need to remove something, slot in, take it out, and stuff like that, and then put your SIM card, change your SIM card. Imagine you are traveling to multiple countries. You have the local SIM card. That's where you put it. All right. And I just put it on side. Okay. So you do have additional cables here, which is a bit difficult to take out, and I don't know whether this will break sooner or later. Here, so I put it in. So this cable is a USB-C to USB-C, and that's it. Really short cable, right? So what happens is that you can actually plug this in, and you can convert USB-C male connector to another male USB-C, USB-A, sorry. So why do you need to do that? Because when you have this SIM card, you can actually use this to access. Let me just slot it in. All right, and then plug this to the other side, which is actually USB-C connector, and you can plug this into your laptop, and voila, you can access your SD card with this. Assuming you don't have a you don't have a USB-A, you can use this USB-C and plug into your laptop, all right, or your MacBook. And in case you need to use this to connect to a phone that only uses micro USB, yeah, you can do that. And last but not least, you can do the same for your iPhone, if this works. I've never tried the iPhone. I'm not sure if it works. If you tried, and just let me know. Right, so 6 cables. It's basically just this. You can convert this from the Lightning connector to USB-C, Lightning connector to USB-A, Lightning connector to micro USB. All right, and of course from USB, where is it? Yeah, to this. Yeah, and so on. You get the idea. All right, so not too bad. You have everything here for you to access the data on your SD card, which is inside here. You have all the slots for your SD card. You have 2 slots for your SIM. Actually, 1 more SD card slot here. And you can also access the data in the SD card. So I think this is a relatively convenient tool if you are the type that goes around taking photos, videos, lots of data that you want to store inside there, I would say get this. Granted that the cable is short, you have to really pull this close to your laptops to transfer data. You need not use this to transfer data, but at least to a certain extent, this can be used for your storage. All right, and that's about it. If you like the video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch up with you guys in a while. See you. Bye.